Hey everybody, James at Hydrabrite Chevrolet coming to you with an update on the Bolt EV recall, and the news is all good. So GM has not only identified, but they have corrected the manufacturing problem that was leading to these defects in the batteries, and they are now producing what GM deems defect-free batteries. Now, we even got our first one in, so we're going to be able to start doing these replacements soon. I don't want everybody to reach out to us just yet because this is going to be a process. GM's going to have to take some time to get enough batteries available for everybody. So what they're doing in the meantime is they're prioritizing the vehicles they believe are highest risk, and they're going to expand it outward from there. So when it's your turn, you're going to get something in the mail from GM letting you know. If you don't want to wait for GM to reach out to you, you can always go check on this yourself. Just take your vehicle identification number, your VIN, to chevy.com/BoltEVRecall. That's chevy.com/BoltEVRecall. There's a search box as you scroll down, and when you do that search, it's going to give you a status on the recall. For most people, it's going to be incomplete, remedy not available. That just means that your turn in line hasn't come yet. However, if yours says open, that means you've got a battery that's been produced for your vehicle, and we want you to reach out to us to get that scheduled. And the reason we want you to call us is that not only do we have Bolt EV specialists here, but we also have all the proper equipment to make sure that this recall is done quickly, effectively, and right. Now, to that point, when you do schedule, it's going to be a couple of days. Plan on your Bolt being with us overnight, at least one, maybe 2 nights. And so what we're going to do is we're going to provide you with a courtesy car. There's going to be no charge on a rental while it's here. So if you've gotten that notification, if your vehicle's ready to come in, or if you just have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me and let me know. My phone number and extension are in the upper left-hand corner along with my email, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.